Thank you for coming. This is the first event of its kind.
So lean to me is the idea and the use of principles that allows you to be the most efficient you possibly can. And a system and a culture that is willing to use those principles, you're gonna be able to achieve more with less.
I just think that it's the mission of my facility. It's my vision is to always have continuous improvement. It's a culture, and we've had that culture, so we are lean and we continue to improve.
To me, implementing Lean is really no-brainer. I've been applying Lean in many processes, many products. At the end of the day, it's a way to understand your value chain end-to-end, what delivers value to your patient and what doesn't. The industry has to learn, come back to basics, look into your processes, look into what makes sense, look what delivers value, and eventually the translation is more economic, more cost efficient.